Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshot without pressing any button on any iPhone and iPad. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Under settings, we have to tap on accessibility. Now, find and tap on touch and tap assistive touch. First we have to activate assistive touch. Now we have to tap on long press. Under long press we have to find and select the screenshot. Now go back to iPhone home screen. Now we are going to take screenshot without pressing any button. Long press the assistive touch. Here we go. We'll take screenshot without pressing any button. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.